Today I would like to show you how I use YouTube on my Samsung Smart TV. I use the Samsung remote app for iOS to make it easier to search, for example, in YouTube. So we start with the TV and we go into the Smart Hub like that. There is the Smart Hub with all the apps I have installed. I could use the TV remote for this, but it's very clumsy, so to do that you need to have all these buttons and you have no options to type fast. So we use the Samsung remote app. And the app icon looks like that. We start the app. This app is for iPhone, so I have to use it on the iPad because I have the iPhone for recording this movie, so it looks kinda silly when it's so big. But this is the remote app. It looks better on the iPhone. You can use this as a game control or a TV remote. So I take it the TV remote. So, and then I choose Smart. Log in. Then this dialog opens on the TV. I use that to log in to my account, Smart Hub account. By doing that I am logged into Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and a lot more accounts. When I did that, as you can see in the remote app, all the apps I have installed on my Samsung Smart TV get listed. Very easy to choose what you want to use. So if I scroll down here, you see all the apps. I can install many more, but these are the ones I have installed from now. But we choose YouTube. Like that. As you can see, YouTube starts on the TV. On the remote app, I can choose the most viewed, top ranked, popular, most discussed, top favorites, most comments, news, visit history, TV library, that is videos I saved when I find them on my TV. They get into the TV library. And I have my favorites. And the favorites syncs with the internet. So if I add videos on the internet when I'm surfing on my iPhone, iPad or Mac, I can add them as favorites and they show up in this list, favorites. So we choose favorites. Then my list with favorites shows up. And let's say we choose my own video here, my incredible unboxing of MacBook Air. Then it starts on the screen, and by hitting return once more, it gets in full screen. So the video starts on my Samsung Smart TV. Quite nice. And on the remote app you have these apps settings and options. As you can see, I can raise the volume. Very cool. You have stop, play, forwarding, pause, and all the other stuff, settings to display and brightness, sound and such. So now I can play the video on the Samsung Smart TV. If I hit the home button, we go to the remote again. If I hit back, we go back before we make it full screen. If I hit back again, we go back to the list with my favorites. If we back again, we go to the list with options in YouTube. If we choose search, we could search for different YouTube keywords. We could search for iPhone, for example, and hit done. On the TV then, you will have all the search results from that search, and also on the remote app. So you can read about every video here. If we search the iPhone 4 versus HTC Evo, for example, the video starts on the TV.
iPhone 4. Where is the iPhone 4?
And go back. So when we did a search, you could have as a relevance, search result, publish, view counts, or rank. So it's quite nice to use this remote app from Samsung. Very, very cool and very easy to find stuff you want to watch on the TV. So this is the way I use YouTube on my Samsung Smart TV. A really great way to use internet web stuff. You can install many other apps, as I said. YouTube is only one, but the one that I use the most. So by using the remote app, you get all the nice features, and you can type and search and so on. Very, very cool. The Samsung remote app is free in the App Store and works for the iPhone. You can use it on the iPad as I did here, but it's kind of ugly then. But it works. The Samsung Smart TV need to have Wi-Fi. The model I use didn't have it built in, so I have to buy a Wi-Fi dongle. But after doing that, I had all the internet stuff that I needed. So, okay, this is it. I hope you liked the video, and I can highly recommend to buy a Samsung Smart TV because it's kind of great to have YouTube built into the TV. So ask me questions in the comments and I answer them about the TV. So have a nice day.